Hey yo guys, today I'm going to teach you easy way to how to create bar graph by using Google Spreadsheet. As we can see, this is my example table regarding about car, brands and sale. If I want to convert this table become a bar graph, first of all I'm going to select this all table, select all and then click on the top left insert, search for chart and then here we go. We have a many selection of graph we want to use. For this distribution, I'm gonna select bar graph, and then this is our bar graph that based on our table just now. And then I'm gonna click this for the color to easy way to recognize the brand of the car. And here is button for customizations. You can customize all you want based on your taste. And thank you for watching and peace out guys.